Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Muhammad Dawar Zahid and this is a highly requested video that I get a lot of messages from kids. They're like, we feel so demotivated, abhi ye levels khatam hua hai, theek hai, and abhi to ye levels khatam bhi nahi hua for people who are giving their composite, and they're like we already have to start preparing for our MDCAT, AKU and NAMS, all of these different exams. So how do we keep ourselves motivated? And in this video guys, I'll be talking about those things. Alright guys, so first of all, this might seem a bit basic to you, but please try it out before commenting on it. So ye कि I want you guys to wake up every day knowing exactly what you need to do. ठीक है? कि when you wake up, the first thing that you think about isn't कि मैंने नाश्ता करना है, मैंने ये करना है, मैंने वो करना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, ठीक है कि I need to play this, I need to do this, ठीक है, I need to go here. It should be कि okay, अब मैं उठाऊँ. What I need to do is, your primary focus should be कि अच्छा आज के दिन में मैंने let's say biological molecules complete करना है, physics में kinematics complete करना है, chemistry में I want to let's say revise let's say I'm going to be revising physical chemistry, ठीक है. That is how you should start your every single day, ठीक है. और इसका तरीका क्या होता है? What I do is कि before I sleep, ठीक है, रात को when I'm finishing my prep for the day, I basically make a list of things that I need to do in the next day, ठीक है. So जैसे अब when I had my neurosciences module going on, that was हर दिन 10-10 12-12 घंटे पढ़ने वाली बात थी. तो मैं यही करता था कि like when I used to wake up, I did not waste any time trying to figure out कि अच्छा आज ये करूँ, आज वो करूँ. No, I would already have a blueprint in mind कि okay, this is what I need to do, and if I don't do these things, my day is wasted. Guys, the second point is going to be eliminate all energy killers. And what do I mean by this? The first thing that a lot of you probably do is that you start checking your phone, you start to scroll. And what I need you guys to think is that all of you have a limited amount of, I would say, brain power. Okay? That's not exactly the scientific word for it. All of you guys have a specific amount of attention that you can give to things. Okay? अगर आप उठते साथ ही अपना दिमाग खराब कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उठते साथ brain rot करना शुरू हो गया आपका, you're rotting your brain कि जी reels पे reels देख रहे हैं कि अच्छा यार चलो अभी तो मैं 11 बजे उठाऊँ, I'll start studying at 12. The thing is, you might start studying at 12. अब शायद आप उठ गए हो, आप पढ़ना शुरू हो गए हो, but मसला यार ये होगा कि आपका दिमाग is already sort of stunted now, ठीक है. अब आपसे पढ़ाई उतनी अच्छी होनी ही नहीं है, ठीक है. So that, and I'll talk more about this when I'm talking about like dopamine detox and stuff like that, ठीक है. लेकिन this is what I want you guys to keep in mind कि उठते साथ ही don't do stuff like this, and also just eliminate all energy killers. If there's something that bothers you, if there's a friend जो कि आपको तंग कर रहा है, दिमाग खराब हुआ है, कोई भी चीज़ आपको तंग कर रही है, just eliminate all of these things, ठीक है. Any distraction, just kick it out, ठीक है. Literally kick it out. मैंने जैसे पहले भी बताया था, I used to do this with my phone. I would throw it literally at this like bed की side पे, नीचे मैं बेड से नीचे फेंक देता था, और it would be next to the wall. So if I needed my phone, I needed to call someone कि वो मेरे साथ पूरा बेड हिलाएं, बड़ा बेड था, और उसमें से फिर मैं अपना फ़ोन निकालता था. This process would take like around 10-15 minutes, ठीक है. तो because I was really lazy, मैं कहता था चलो यार 10 मिनट और पढ़ लेता हूँ, फिर निकाल लेता हूँ. So that is what you guys should also be going for. Okay guys, this point is going to be about just have something that keeps you and your routine in shape, ठीक है. And I'll explain this. This does not mean कि आपने gym जाना है. It could just be कि you're doing one activity that is fixed कि अच्छा इस इतने बजे मैंने ये activity हर दिन करनी है. That is what it means, ठीक है. Let's say it could be something like namaz, ठीक है, which you all should be praying, ठीक है, कि 5 टाइम नमाज पढ़नी है. That is going to keep your routine in shape, ठीक है, and you sort of have like a structure that you can build your day around. Or it could be कि अच्छा मैंने 6 बजे से लेके 7 बजे तक मैंने जिम जाना है every single day. इसमें कोई मैंने aside from break days, I will always go 6 से 7, ठीक है. So होगा क्या कि you'll have a structure कि अच्छा ओके 3 घंटे में चलो इससे पहले पढ़ लेता हूँ, 4 घंटे में इसके बाद पढ़ लेता हूँ. एक स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है जिनका, which is very important because this is not like school, ठीक है, कि आपके सारे दोस्त भी पढ़े होते हैं. For especially for A-level students, you are probably like alone. मेरा ये था कि I was the only person in my friend group that was giving the exam. All of my friends were partying, ठीक है. तो you don't really have something to, एक कोई स्केड्यूल नहीं होता. वरना तो क्या होता था, I remember जब मेरे A levels का टाइम चल रहा था, I would like every night I would video call my friends and I would just like ask them कि तुम लोगों ने कितना किया, just call them or just talk to them, and we would sort of keep each other accountable and keep एक schedule सा हम maintain करके रखते थे, ठीक है, कि अच्छा इस टाइम पे हम लोगों ने कॉल करनी ही करनी है. You don't have that over here, you don't have anyone with you, so that is why it sort of becomes tedious. Okay guys, this is the next point is something जो कि you know some parents really disagree with me on कि someone's mom called me the other day and she's like you know मेरा बेटा तो हफ्ते में एक दिन छुट्टी कर रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ठीक है, it was really weird, ठीक है, awkward for me, so please don't do that. अच्छा है guys, the point is कि you need to take breaks. अगर breaks नहीं लोगे तो you will get burnt out, ठीक है. I've said this so many times. हफ्ते का एक दिन या towards the exam, ठीक है, let's say once every 10 days you guys should take a complete day off. Do whatever you guys want to do. जो भी करना है करो, ठीक है. You guys want to eat shit food, you want to eat you know fried things, fast food, गंदा खाना खाना है, ठीक है, वो खाओ. You want to lay down in your bed, you know, just use your phone all day, do that. Do whatever helps you, you know, just recharge. And again मैं थोड़ा सा रील्स देखने से मना करूँगा, ब्रेन रॉट से मना करूँगा, because honestly that's just like अपने दिमाग को फाड़ने वाली बात है. It's better if you go out with your friends or just do something that recharges you. That is very important. I've said this before, guys. It is not a 100-meter race. It is an entire marathon, and you need to take breaks in a marathon. Okay guys, so the last thing that I would want you all to do is कि keep reminding yourself why you're doing it, ठीक है. Why are you, मतलब क्यों इतनी गधों की तरह पढ़ रहे हो, why are you guys doing it, ठीक है. The thing is कि I can't motivate you. I've said this before too, ठीक है, कि I can make a video, I can say कि oh you know हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, ठीक है, you know just work hard, but at the end of the day 2-3 घंटे it will be effective, but then it won't be effective, ठीक है. So essentially have a endogenous source of motivation. Have a source of motivation that is unique to you and it is coming from within you, because बाहर से आपको कोई मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता. कोई आपको ये नहीं कह सकता जी उठो ये काम करो जाके, ठीक है, आपको खुद ही करना होगा वो काम. And now all of you guys are माशाल्लाह grown up, ठीक है. ये नहीं है कि जी पेरेंट्स डांटेंगे तो डांट के you know पढ़ने बैठ जाना है. So stuff, don't do stuff like that, because that stuff is not effective at all either, ठीक है, कि अम्मी अबू के डर से पढ़ रहे हैं, don't do it, ठीक है. So guys, please just find a source of motivation that is unique to you, ठीक है, कि आपको पता हो कि अच्छा जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं क्यों पढ़ रहा हूँ, like what do I want to achieve in life, ठीक है. And keep reminding yourself कि okay you know this is why I'm doing this, ठीक है. Remind yourself कि okay this is the reason why I need to study 12 hours a day every day for the next 50 or so days till you have your exams. Okay guys, so in this video this is all that I'm going to be talking about, ठीक है. So I hope this was actually motivating and I hope this gave you, I know it's not actually really motivating like that, but I hope it gave you the tools to actually find your own motivation, ठीक है. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much. See you guys in the future videos.